Hi everyone, my name is Bhargav and here is my teammate Jainam.
Hi everyone, my name is Jainam.
So we have made this AI pod for the 11 Labs hackathon. So the main purpose of this AI pod came in as we thought like we usually while working or studying we usually listen to songs, but sometimes we lack the things that radio and the old technology had. Like we had radio jockeys maintaining and telling us various stories as well as news, and we thought like why not we could improve it with 11 labs, and then further we can also do much more with function calling as well as like the power of LLMs for making it personalized. So like now I think I'll give it to Jainam to explain what is AI bot and like its main functionalities.
Yeah, so aiPod is an AI-driven app, like my friend explained. It is driven by APIs and LLMs with an iPod-inspired interface. We have a huge emphasis on actually making it seem user-friendly using the iPod interface. We play music, deliver news, and answer questions via chat. We customize responses or with the audio the way you want. Like there is a settings button on the side that will allow you to choose all different kinds of audio voices, and it combines nostalgia with cutting edge technology.
And the main features of it are like you can have music playback, you can like your traditional Spotify playlist or like your like the oldest iPods. The main feature is like you can listen to music, but along with that, we have the power of audio. So using 11 Labs, we convert all the chatbot material as well as like the function call to like a more presentable format that is like audio, and we can listen to that as well as like you can see there's a type command. So using that you can interact with the AI pod and tell it to like say set reminders, or you want to listen to some specific news, you can tell it to generate those news. So in the backend we use Grok API, and apart from that we also use Perplexity to like ground the search. And along with that we have a personalization tool. So here you can choose what type of AI voice you want from 11 Labs. So these are the like the selective samples that we've kept right now, but you can definitely modify it further in future. And yeah, so once you selected that, you can listen to those voices. You can say ask it to uh, remind me for say 8 9 p.m. for studies. And once you send it, it basically works it out in the backend to process all the commands. And apart from that, our main inspiration was coming up with like we as I told, like we wanted to want have something that could help us in like while studies, as well as like we should not be like diverge ourselves from like losing focus, and that's the main reason. And the main challenges that we faced were like the integration of various APIs, the function calling, as well as we also tried some agent, and we were quite facing challenges with that. And apart from that, I think Jainam, you can tell about the audio problems that we faced.
Yes, so we had a lot of audio processing issues with respect to the user understanding, as well as the backend having a lot of understanding issues with a lot of API problems. So we had a lot of problems processing these different audio systems and what they were able to under how they were able to understand each other and what they were able to do.
We also tried to integrate the like speech feature where we can have a speech to speech communication. So that is in like development, and like we've tried some beta versions, but we didn't want to like submit that part, so we tried just the chat version right now. And in the future enhancement, we think like 11 Labs is quite powerful in various languages. So right now it works with like if you type in a different language and ask it to do, but we think we can add more personalizations where you can select your AI pod with a specific language and a specific speaker type, and we can do that. And apart from that, we can have like the playlist and the typical integration of Spotify where we have friends coming up with it, and we can do it more powerful. The function calling can also help in future. Might be like we can call our home IoT devices, or it could be controlling the calendar data from our MacBooks or anything. So it is very powerful, and with the advent of model context protocol, I think in the next further iterations we plan to do that. And more
more UI themes, that is with respect to iPod. I think we would also like to add the classic iPod colors with all different type of various themes, as well as UI support systems where if there's any issues that the customer is facing, then that can be reported.
Yeah, that's it. You can try the AI pod at aipod.bhargavyagnik.com. We'll leave the link in the like project submission. And if you have any questions, you can definitely reach out to us on our emails. So you can find that, or we'll link our LinkedIn's too. Thank you so much. Have a good day.